Okay, ketchup. Ketchup is awesome. Ketchup is this really important thing. First off, I started my mission in Chile. In Chile, ketchup is like eaten with everything. Have you ever eaten ketchup with rice? I have, because that's what Chileans do. You eat ketchup on just absolutely everything. Now, ketchup may seem kind of overrated because we use it for a lot of stuff. Let's see, at my job at the MTC, I have to change ketchup dispensers sometimes. Let me tell you, ketchup can get absolutely disgusting when you leave it out and don't take care of it. Not as bad as mayonnaise. Mayonnaise like turns to gel, translucent gel, and that's disgusting. Anyway, ketchup. Ketchup is made out of tomatoes. One of the nice things about tomatoes, so a lot of attempts to reduce international poverty focus on people growing grains, other stuff like that. That's really not the right approach. The right approach is to pick a cash crop, to pick some sort of crop that requires intensive agriculture and that can sell for a reasonable amount of money. And I'm not an expert on the tomato market, but tomatoes seem like more of that sort of thing, where you have to actually invest a lot of effort into growing the tomatoes, especially if you're going to be like, label them organic tomatoes, which honestly I think is basically a scam. If it's food, that means it's organic. It's made out of a living thing. But people pay extra money for that for reasons that I honestly do not understand. So, if these people, these impoverished rural farmers throughout the world can get the certifications necessary to sell their tomatoes as organic, make them into organic ketchup, they can earn a ton more money than they could doing just about anything else. That's what they specialize in. For them, time is cheap. They can invest a lot of labor, get pretty high product out of it. So buy organic ketchup as long as it's made overseas, not made in the USA. Anyway, ketchup. What else about ketchup? Well, this is Utah, so of course I have to mention that wonderful thing when you combine ketchup and mayonnaise, fry sauce, which we ate yesterday as part of this awesome thing called Questival, which is basically like what we're doing now, except it lasted 24 hours and left us just about dead, hence our team name, Not Dead Yet, because we are not dead yet. And, thankfully, I believe that the fry sauce, which included ketchup, was part of the sustenance that kept me alive throughout the past 24 hours. So in that sense, ketchup is also really important to me, because it provided me calories that I then burned doing random crap like hiking 3 different mountains and doing a handstand, which I really can't do, running through sprinklers, other things. So yeah, ketchup can provide you with calories, which provides you with energy, which is awesome. So, what else about ketchup can I say? Well, at the MTC, the ketchup that we use comes in giant bags of ketchup. There's a little plastic ring at the bottom. You slam the tube of the dispenser into that ring, and then you have to pump it out. And let me tell you, it is an absolute mess when the bag bursts. Also, oh my freaking goodness, we did not do the draw a picture of ketchup, or draw a smiley face made out of ketchup on your chest or on your stomach for the Questival thing. We just missed out on easy points there. Not that it would have mattered, we didn't get very many points anyway. We ended up in like 200 something place out of 500. 50th percentile, not bad. But ketchup could have helped us even more to win, meaning ketchup is great. Anyway, ketchup dispensers. We can't use sanitizer on a ketchup dispenser because there is food in it, so we have to use warm, soapy water to clean it out. It's nasty. So, when you're eating ketchup, be responsible about it. Like, actually make sure that the ketchup lands on your plate. Make sure it doesn't land on the counter underneath the ketchup dispenser, where that means that I will have to personally wipe it up and get rid of it, and it's nasty, and it takes the sanitized rags and makes them all really nasty, and so that you can't use them on anything else. So you have to use a rag for the ketchup, get rid of it, get another rag, use that for the next piece of ketchup, get rid of that. Anyway, ketchup is great as long as you use it responsibly. So, eat responsibly. Be happy. Ketchup is happy. It wants you to be happy, too. Eat organic ketchup. Organic ketchup, as long as it's grown overseas by poor farmers, is great. Yay!